Okay, for those who still need graphing, okay, problems, I can't find, I don't have my paper with me and I don't have graph paper. But for those who need graphing, no, not this problem, right? I'll save this. Here's number 1, 2, and 3 up here. I did a screenshot. So to graph number 1 there, right here, to graph that problem there, okay, you need to, I need to undo that. First graph, the first one, right? This first one here, graph that one. The y-intercept is at -4. See that right here? That's the y-intercept, that's -4. So if you do that, you start out at -4 and you go up 3 over 1. The slope's up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. Okay, and go the other way, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. Graph that one. Now the second one, right here, I don't know why you need to know how to do this. That's a +1, so you start out at a +1, which is here, and this is a -2 over 1, -2 over 1. Oh, that's where it meets, right there. So the solution is 1, -1. That's how you graph that. Oh, sorry. How you graph that. Starting at 1, go down 1, 2 over 1. That's what it says on here. This one, the slope is right there. It says -2. That means -2 over 1. Now, if you're having trouble with graphing, I really need to see it at lunch. And this one too, right here. I shouldn't be doing this video. I'll do one more and then I'll leave the third graphing by yourself to do. So here, this one here, you start out at -2 right there. Start at -2 and then you go up 4, it's because it's positive, up 4 over 3. So start out at -2, you see the block mark, and up 4 over 3. 4 over 3, I don't know, 4 over 3. Okay, if you 4 over 3. Connect the dots. And this other one right here, down here, there's nothing, so you start at 0. Y equals 2 over 3x only. You start out at 0. 2 over 3, so 2 over 3, that's where it meets. The solution is right there. 3, 2. And then you can do your last one here. If you don't know how to graph these, you need to really see me at snack or lunch because you can't miss those. Now another question is number 8. Let me see where number 8 is. Okay, number 8 is right there, using substitution. You take, so I'm going to go, this is an old worksheet because, okay, we're going to put this equation, we're going to save one of them. Okay. I'm going to save the easier one of the two. I'm going to say y equals to -1/3 x plus 2. That's still easier than that. I'm going to take that and put it into this one right here. So that means I have 4x plus 9y equals to 24. This is number 8, okay guys? Take this and substitute it in here. So 4 times x plus 9 times -1 over 3x, add 2 equals to 24. Okay, distribute the -9 to 1 over 3, so you need to know how to work with fractions there. I'm going to do on the side 9 times -1 over 3. Cross cancel, that's 3. 3 times -1 is -3x. Distribute that, that's 18. That's 4x there, add that, equals to 24. Okay? And then combine these, that's 1x, or x plus 18 equals to 24. Subtract 18, subtract 18, so your answer x is 6. If x is 6, we need to find y. So put 6 there. Cross cancel, that's a 2. 2 times negative 1, y is negative 2 plus 2, so y is 0. Okay, that's how they got the answer 6, 0 there. That's 8. And then number 10, it's like where did I screenshot a number 10? Oh, it's this word problems, huh? A rectangle is 3 times longer than its width. Okay. So the length, a rectangle is 3 times longer than its width. So here's its width. This length here is 3 times longer than that. So the length is 3 times longer than the width. The perimeter, so L here, so this length here is 3W. I don't need to write this here. The length is 3W. The perimeter is 44. So you add them all up. 3W, that, plus this 3W, plus that W, plus this W, equals to, the perimeter is 44. 6, 8W equals to, 44, right? So you divide by 8, you get the width of 5.5. 44 divided by 8 goes in 5 times. 40, put a dot, 0. Oh no, not 0 up there. I meant to put 0 down here. So the width is 5.5. That's how this answer here says 5.5 centimeters, okay? So the length then is 3 times that. So the width is 5.5. The length then, is 3 times that. 3 times 5.5 is how they get 16.5 here as an answer, okay? So I hope that helps you on that equation. All right. Another one. The other question was 8, 10. What number is this? Okay, that's 8. I don't need that anymore, right? 20, I believe. 20. You need to know substitution. Okay, 20. You need to solve this one here for y by adding 18. So, number 20. Okay, 20 there. You solve for y plus 18 equals 16x. You solve for y, so you minus 18 minus 18. Of y equals 16x minus 18. And the other problem is right up here. Oh, anyways, minus 18 there. Let's see, minus 18 to both sides. Minus 18 here and minus 18 there. Okay, then I take that 0.5x plus 0.25y equals to 26. Put this into y. Okay, and then you solve it like you normally would. Plus 0.25y. Instead of y, you put 16x plus 18 equals 26. You finish solving that, and that's for x. And I would have saved y plus 18 equals 16x. And then afterwards, when I find x, I go ahead and find y. Okay, I hope that helps you on number 20. I mean, come on. You need to know how to solve equations. If you don't, I need to see you at lunch. Really do. And then the next one is number, this last one, 32. Okay, that can be confusing. I can see why, but it's really simple. Okay. See this y? You got x, the bottom one right here, equals to 3 parentheses y plus 1. Y is equal to that. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. Well, put this into that there. Oops. Take that and put it into there. So x equals 3 parentheses 3x plus 1 plus that 1 there. Distribute 9x plus 3 plus 1 equals to x. X equals to 9x plus 4. You subtract 9x to both sides. You get negative 8x equals to 4. Divide by negative 8. Divide by negative 8. Reduce that to negative 1/2. So if x is negative 1/2, now y, okay, I'll take the top one here. So to find y, 3 times negative 1/2, add 1. Well, y equals to negative 3 over 2, add 1. One common denominator is 2, negative 3 over 2, add 2 over 2. That's one whole, okay? So y is also negative 1/2. And I hope that was the answer. That's all I got there. So, so the ordered pair here is negative 1/2 and negative 1/2. Okay. That's how you do that.